Good morning, friends. I have a science book to share with you today. It is called Seed to Plant. We're keeping on our plant theme for the month, and I hope that when the weather is nice, it's supposed to rain the next 2 days, but that you get outside and plant some seeds. So, seed to plant. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too, and they have a white water lily, a tangerine tree, and an orchid. Plants are a part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. And it says here's a farmer in a cotton field and a bear in a tree. And it says, how is a tree like a big dog? They both have a lot of bark. Parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Arms are like leaves. Your body is like a stem, and your feet are like roots. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall. Leaves soak up the sunlight, and there's the roots, the stem, and the leaves. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start with a seed. The seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. A new plant is beginning. And then it says the buzzword, germination, the sprouting of a new plant from a seed. And seedling is a young plant. A seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil, and a stem pushes up into the air. And again, we have the roots, the stem, and the leaves. A plant grows. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. And it says down here, watering a garden helps it grow. And our buzzword is soil. And that's the top layer of the earth, which plants grow in. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow: soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. So the sunlight and the air, the soil, and the water for food. And it says, how does a flower ride a bike? With its petals. 6 fun plant facts. 1, this palm seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. 2, scrub-a-dub-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Number 3, the paper for this here book was made out of trees. Number 4, one sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. There's the seeds. 5, bamboo grows the fastest of any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old in one day. And 6, the tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York City. Flowers in bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. The bud slowly opens up. Petals gently unfold. Surprise, it's a flower. What did one flower say to the other? Hi, bud. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Then the pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. Our buzzword, pollination. The moving of pollen from one flower to another makes seeds grow. Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants can grow a case around the seeds. This case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. And there's a pea pod right there, and there's a maple tree pod. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside, but strawberry seeds are on the outside. And it says, what does a plant say when it doesn't want company? Leave me alone. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind, others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate, and a new plant begins. A bird carries a berry with a seed inside. A squirrel holds a large seed, and dandelion seeds scatter in the wind. Pass the plants, please. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? A panda eats a bamboo plant. Watermelon is a fruit that comes with from a plant. And then it says, make your garden grow. You can grow your own bean plant. Ask a grown-up for help. You'll need 1 lima bean seed, a cup of water, a 4-inch flower pot, glass jar or paper cup, and soil. And it says, soak your seed in a cup of water overnight. Fill the flower pot with soil. Push your seed down into the soil about 1 inch. Add a little water to moisten the soil. Place the pot in a warm, sunny spot. Add a little water whenever the soil gets dry. Your seedling should sprout in about 1 week. Great activity. I'm going to post some more extension activities for you, and I'll see you later this week. Have a great day. Stay safe.